Hey y'all, this is Candy. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, I am so glad you stopped by. And for those of you who are returning, thank you for joining me again. So today we are going to do a keto waffle. So I have a couple eggs here and some mayo. We got some beef gelatin, whey protein, and total milk protein, and a pinch of salt. All right, so I'm just mixing up my eggs and my mayo and my pinch of salt. And now I'm adding in my gelatin, total milk protein, and whey protein. If this turns out, I will put the exact measurements down below. All right, so I'm just going to let this sit just a minute just to let the gelatin thicken up the mixture a little bit. I'm going to grab a stick of butter and I am going to grease up my waffle maker and then let that butter sit out so I have something to put on my waffle when it's done. We're going to let that cook a couple minutes, see how it turns out. Hopefully it tastes delicious. So I do hear that vinegar kind of counteracts the taste of eggs in a waffle. And I thought, well, what about mayo? Mayo has vinegar in it, so maybe that would help too. So we're going to see how this works out in a recipe. But let's see how it looks. It has not been in there for long. Well, that looks pretty good, you guys. I'm a little bit excited. I hope it tastes good. If it tastes good, this will be a new way for us to use up some of that total milk protein. Look, there's the first one. Not crispy at all. Doesn't smell eggy. Let's see how much it shrivels. Sometimes I make these and then they shrivel up and get all wrinkly like a raisin. Look how beautiful that one is. We might get, I don't know, we'll see. We might get 3 and then a baby one. I think it's going to be too much for 3, too little for 4. All right, so our waffles are done, and Terry is going to come over here and taste test with us. All right, so let's taste these. They're not crispy because I didn't put any cheese in them. But
you didn't put them in the toaster like an Eggo waffle.
Not yet. Not yet. Maybe later. They didn't shrivel up like some of them do, though.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I should have tasted them without the butter, because butter makes everything better. We got some of that syrup there if you want that. I'm going to taste it. See what... You hear Johnson? It actually isn't bad.
They're just rolling on the floor.
Just taste it. It's not bad. I don't think it tastes eggy. I think it tastes eggy. I used a little bit of mayo in it because vinegar, except I need to swallow before I start talking. It's not dry. It's not dry at all.
You're going to be like that one video that we watched with what's his name?
With who?
Remember the preacher?
Oh my God.
MRE food?
That was so funny. Oh my gosh.
What was his name?
Jim Baker.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
He's trying to eat his food. He was pooping on it. Trying to tell you how delicious it was.
Oh my gosh. That's funny. All right. Here you go. Tink. Okay. There you go. I didn't know if this would work as like a waffle because it had mayo in it, but we'll see. I can tell you what, these are super simple.
It's like an Eggo.
Oh, it's good.
Thanks for cooking.
I did it.
Thanks for
I did
cooking.
something good.
Thanks for cooking it.
It worked
you can
out.
leave. You can leave now.
Something finally worked out.
Go away. You can leave.
My gosh. I should make a whole bunch of those.
So this is my new cooking show. Candy's gonna leave.
It's good. It's yummy. I'm pleasantly surprised. I wasn't so sure it was going to work out. I've been screwing up all those videos I've been trying of other people's recipes, so I said, let me just do this.
Some dish your own.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Nobody else's recipe.
Well, there's millions of people in the world. Maybe somebody else has done it, but I haven't seen it.
You didn't.
Mm-mm. I haven't seen it anywhere. Maybe it exists somewhere. But this is pretty good. Mmm. Yum.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. And it doesn't shrivel up. Remember that one time I tried to make those waffles? And they shriveled up like a raisin?
Waffles?
Well, waffle. I think it's when I tried to make the ones from Chris Cooking Nashville and they all shriveled up. I tried to fix it or something because they kept not working out. So I tried to do something else with it and it shriveled up. Anyway, these are good. All right, you guys, it worked. They're delicious. So I will put the exact ingredients down below. Very simple. Just mix it with a fork. You don't even have to get nothing to beat fast. They cook faster than a regular chaffle because it wasn't even 2 minutes in the waffle maker. So if you have a 4 waffle maker, fill it up and one time cooking it, you're good to go. And I'm going to make some more of these and put them in the fridge and we got breakfast or supper because I am sure that they're going to reheat good.
Not tonight. We're having steak.
That's right. Tonight we eat steak.
We could have steak and waffles.
No, I just want steak. Anyway.
Just say chicken and waffles?
Not the same. I'm just going to have steak.
Just saying.
Just saying. But I could make you these and you could have them take them to work. Something. I bet you they'd work out frozen. But anyways, they're delicious. You can eat it. I see you looking at them. If you want me to make you more, I will. Because they were fast. Trust me. Fast, fast, fast.
They went fast, too.
They sure did. Anyways, you guys.
Did you guys time me?
Thanks for joining us. Glad we have a waffle recipe. I think I promised Anne months ago. Probably a half a year ago. I think it was Anne.
Who's that?
It's been so long, I forgot.
Who's Anne?
She's one of our subscribers. She always watches our videos. And I said, oh, I'll make you a waffle recipe. And I tried to make a couple. And I kept screwing them up. And then I gave up. And then today I'm like, let me try again. So it worked. And I know you got total milk protein, so I think you're good to go. And so I'm so excited. What are you looking for? Oh, don't fall.
I was looking for him.
Why?
Wait a minute. When I leaned back here and I'm like, well, there's Willie. And then I walked right past him, but he was right there on the floor.
You got ADD.
My sandal got caught on the thing.
All right. Say bye. Tell everybody, like and subscribe. Share our video so everybody knows how good the new waffle recipe is, huh? You like Mommy's cooking? Say yes. Yes. All right, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to catch you again here next time. Bye.
See ya.